Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have the spirit of Guam captured in an airplane? You're in luck. Today, a packed house caught the first glimpse of Fly Guam. Instead of typical airline food, Chamorro barbecue. To help you relax, the sound of the ocean waves as if you were in the beach of Tumon. And for those that are watching the plane take off, pictures of Guam on the tail section.
The water, the scenery, the people, the culture, everything together makes this a great destination.
Longtime Marianas airline Freedom Air is partnering up with a Hong Kong-based company. The team will open up service to major cities in Asia while continuing island-to-island flights. Fly Guam officials say their goal is just not to get people to and from the airport, but to make Guam a destination. Music to the ears of the Guam Visitors Bureau.
Right now we're 90% leisure market, but this opens up opportunity for more business travel, more meetings and convention travel, and also more travel for things like we mentioned honeymoons. But those special interest groups can now come at a good have a good choice of airlines and airline schedules.
Flight schedules will be posted within the next 2 months, with the first flights in the air by the end of the year. You can expect to see a minimum of 3 flights a week to each destination. When it comes to cost, Stern says that you can expect better fares than you see today.
However, if you ask me, are we going to fly for $199? The answer is no.
Fly Guam plans on sticking around. In 3 years, they plan to have 6 Boeing 737s bringing people to and from Guam, the destination. For Guam News Watch, I'm Baldo Besic.